National Park Seminary began in 1887 as the Old Ye Forest Inn. It was used for wealthy people around the DC area. In 1894, it was converted into a girls' boarding school, and it gained the title of National Park Seminary. The first decades of the 20th century saw this school flourish with over 300 students, including Hershey's, Chrysler's, Kraft's, Maytag's, and even one of the Roosevelts. By the Great Depression, only about 40 students remained, and at this time, the Army took over and made it the Forest Glen campus for veterans that were wounded in combat, specifically amputees. By the 1970s, almost all the patients were gone, and by 1978, every single patient was gone. It sat in decay for quite some time, up until 2003 when a private developer took over. Only a few abandoned structures remain at the National Park Seminary, as most of them have been renovated into luxury condos that people now live in. This location is open to the public for visitation, and on certain weekends, you can get a guided tour through the old ballroom and some of the other structures that I couldn't get to see this day. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and join me for future adventures. I've also created a GoFundMe page for my father, who was recently diagnosed with a rare type of cancer, and all proceeds will go towards helping him afford his treatments. I've put the link to his GoFundMe in the description below. Thank you again for joining me as we explore the National Park Seminary. Whoa, this is awesome. Get a load of that. Also, guys, if you come visit, be aware. People do live here, so be respectful and, respect their privacy. You're also going to notice as we walk around, wow, that circular stained glass window is so cool. Anyway, you're going to notice as we walk around, different parts of the National Park Seminary are actually built to represent different places from around the world. So there's a Japanese pagoda down the road here. We have a Dutch windmill, an old Italian villa, and one of the buildings even looks like what I think is an English or a German castle. It's one of the coolest buildings here. But I am pumped. Unfortunately, I didn't do YouTube last time I was here, so now I get to share it with you all. And I think certain weekends they do offer tours. There's a gigantic ballroom that's been renovated. I've seen a few pictures and it looks gorgeous. I'm going to post a link to the Save Our Seminary site in the description, so if you want to come here and get a full-on tour and go inside some of the renovated buildings, you can do that. This is gorgeous. This is one of my favorite parts of this place. That is so cool. Would have been kind of cool to see this place back when it was a school. It would definitely be one of the coolest college campuses I've ever heard of. Wow, check that out. Oh, that's cool. So this house is themed after an old Dutch windmill. Ah, that's cool. Wow, check out that fountain. Wow. That is awesome. So I got to talk to some locals, and they gave me some more history on this place. This building here actually used to be the housing for seniors. And they also pointed out some other locations in the woods we're going to check out. Wow. Look at that stonework. So this building here with the pillars used to be the music hall. And there's another building, had a white roof, that used to be a theater and also where the girls did commencement when they graduated. Unfortunately, that got burned down, but from what they said, it used to be really close to this old music hall. So I walked down from the music hall into the woods. We got a little stone bridge here. I'm gonna investigate what else is down here. Wow, this is so cool. I wonder what this was. Beautiful old stone bridge. And I see a trail up there and a stone staircase. All right, I'm gonna put you guys away. We got the remnants of another old bridge here. And we got some more structures up ahead. Wow, look how beautiful this is. The hillside's kind of washing this all away. Steps are a little slanted. Oh wow, yeah, it's all washing out. Well, hopefully they can save this part of the college too. Check out that old bridge. Wow, get a load of this. So this old Italian villa-style building used to be the freshman dorm. This place is so cool. I wish I could get inside, but I don't think it's a good idea.
Boring. Seriously, it's boring. It's
really?
Shut up. Really, I've been through it many times. Very boring. Friends, what is wrong?
It looks so cool on the outside.
Yeah, the outside's better than the inside.
How cool that balcony is. What a gorgeous old building. And here we have the castle. This actually used to be one of the sorority houses. So the castle and the pagoda, which I haven't gotten to yet, were both sorority houses. So that's where the events for different sororities would be held. And I believe this is an old English style castle. How gorgeous. Don't think we can get inside, but take a peek inside. It's all falling apart. It's a big building too. Absolutely beautiful stonework. I certainly hope they renovate this. Alright, I got 3% battery, so We make this count. They don't want us inside, but we'll just enjoy the outside. Here's the pagoda. So this would have been one of the sorority houses. It's one of the most unique buildings on the property. So I'm not going to get too close. Someone does live here, but how cool is that? I'm so glad I ran into 2 local residents that really knew the history. If you all are watching this, thank you both for helping me out. I would have never known about the pagoda and the castle being sorority houses. Thank you all for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time.